Hi, today we're going to try and install the Lego Mindstorm EV3 software. The website you would use is education.lego.com downloads. I will leave this link below in the YouTube video. I specifically want to install the visual programming software. So let's see how that goes. I'm going to try to go to, they have multiple options, right? But I want for Windows 10 English. Let me see if that will download um, the visual programming. I know it'll take a few minutes, so let's wait. So let's see if the download is complete. It seems like it has completed. Here you can see, and I'm gonna start installing the software. So it's extracting. There you go. It's completed extraction, and then it's gonna install in a particular directory. You will wanna install the student edition. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. I do accept the license agreement and I say next. I do accept the license agreement and I say next. And let's hope it completes the process. So it has actually completed the installation now, right? And I just say finish. Now that the software is installed, let's go check it out. I will minimize my window to see if it's installed. As you can see right here, there is a desktop shortcut that's already been created and it's highlighted. So I double click it to launch the software. It certainly is the visual programming software. I can tell it by the logo. It does take a little while because it's the first time. And you can see that it talks about what's new in this version. You can always learn about it. Yes, we always need the updates to be automatic. And this is the window, the lab view window when you launch it first. Here is how you start creating a new project or a new program. And you can actually click open and 1, 2, and 3. There you go. We got it. So this is how the programming interface looks. We will talk about the interface, about how to program and different types of program and all that cool stuff. But for now, please know this is the visual programming Mindstorm, Lego Mindstorm software. I want you to install this. This has been there for a while. It's been tested. You have a lot of advanced features in these, and it's very robust and it is very user friendly for kids. I would recommend strongly that you use this software. The others are very, very introduced in the recent past and they have not been tested and tried, especially if you're going to competitions. So I hope you enjoy the experience installing the software as much as I did. And I'm always available for any questions or comments. Thank you.